Ow, bow, now. Go.
Where are the dogs?
Babies!
Babies!
Babies! Babies! Babies! Babies!
Eisenhower, what are you doing? Amelia? It's time for WrestleMania. They went in the closet. Don't go after them. No. That's, hey, can I get out? That's Eisenhower's special spot. He usually goes in there to get away and hide from everybody. Where are they? Where's Amelia? Don't go in there.
I'm not.
Amelia! All you see are the coats moving.
All I see is just the dogs. Let's move